Hi, everyone, and welcome to the SmartBear community interviews. Our today interview has two guests from the TestComplete Documentation Team. We know that you all like TestComplete documentation, so we decided to show you the people who actually created, and this is how we continue introducing the TestComplete team to you. And my today's guests are Julia Klimenkova. She is the senior technical writer, and Alina Blohova. She is a technical writer. So I'm really excited for this one. Hi, Julia. How, Alina? My first question is, could you speak about your role and what you do at your job every day? Julia, let's start with you.
Hi, I'm Julia, and I'm a technical writer for TestComplete. I'm preparing documentation for each release of TestComplete. I create documentation for new features, and I also keep the existing documentation up to date. I also participate in creating video tutorials for TestComplete.
Thank you so much. Yes, these video tutorials are great, by the way. So everyone who wants to dig deeper and learn some features of TestComplete, not only read the docs, but also go ahead and watch the video tutorials that the team prepares. Thank you. And Alina, what about you?
Hi, I'm Alina. I'm technical writer too. I've been working with Julia on the TestComplete documentation for 3 years. As Julia, I create our documentation, describe new features, create some videos. Also, I work with user feedback.
Thank you for sharing. That was quite interesting. So you both have quite a lot of responsibilities. Okay, so let's talk briefly about your background. Alina, how did you come to the SmartBear team?
As for me, it was challenging, really challenging task because before that I worked as a mobile tester in another place. I had to improve my technical skills and study a lot to be part of SmartBear company. It was hard job, but nowadays I'm happy that I'm here.
Great, this is really nice. Yeah, so you were a mobile tester, which means that you know a lot about testing, and now you work on documentation about testing. So this is
Yeah.
a great background, for this.
Yeah.
You're really suited for this position. That's
I
great.
think, I think it helps me during my current work.
For sure. Thank you for your answer. Okay, and you created a lot of different help articles, but maybe there are some help topics that you like the most. Maybe you're proud of them. Maybe you spend a lot of time creating them. So, Julia, what is your favorite test complete help topic or help article?
For me, it's an entire section, actually. It's a section about running TestComplete tests from team builds in Azure DevOps. I like it because whenever I see this section, I want to improve it. It's very motivating.
This is a great answer, and this is a quite a big section as far as I remember, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Alina, what about you?
It's hard question for me, but I think my favorite articles describe parallel testing in TestComplete, specifically running parallel tests from our execution plan editor.
Hmm. Any reason why you like this topic?
Because because I created it and I managed to do it, and it was hard task for me, and
Okay.
I like this one.
Okay, good. Great job you did there. Thank you for your answer. Uh, Test Complete releases are really big. I mean, they are feature packed, and this means that you have a lot of work when a new version is released. Um, Julia, could you speak a bit on how you handle such big releases? Because every time a new version of Test Complete is released, the documentation is magically already there. So how do you do this?
We get a great help from our development team and our QA team. We communicate with them a lot, and with their help, we are able to provide our documentation in time.
Yeah, thank you for your reply. I think that team collaboration is really important for such matters, for sure. And Alina, so I know that Test Complete is being released now on a monthly basis, and monthly releases must be a real game changer for your work processes. So, what did you change to keep up with the monthly releases?
If you talk about changes, recently, for example, we've changed our internal workflow to understand which features will be included in the upcoming release. It helps us to start describing new features during their development, and it's very important and convenient for us.
So you try to start working on things before they even release them, like much earlier, and this gives you a great time span, to finish in time.
Yeah, yes, exactly. Yeah.
hmm This is a great approach. Thank you for your reply. And my last kind of a question, which is a kind of a non-question really. Do you have any special message for the Test Complete community?
Good question. I think Julia and I like getting feedback from our users, and we will continue fixing some documentation issues, but we will be really happy to see likes on our pages too. Watch our videos, read our articles, and give us likes.
Yeah, thank you. This is a great message. So you heard it, community. So if you like an article and it really helped you, so go ahead and don't be scared. Just press this like button, so that the documentation team knows that they're doing something helpful and useful for your case. And Julie, what about you? What's your message?
Stay safe and stay healthy.
Good. This is the perfect one with everything that's going on. That was a really nice interview. Thank you so much. I was really happy to introduce you to the Test Complete community, and everyone who watched this. Know that we have a lot more videos with different members of the Test Complete team, and we'll be making even more great video content. So, leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. And thanks everyone. Thank you again, Julia and Alina. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.